Welcome to coveted Fairchild Village in Dorado Hills, where your dream home awaits.
The perfect family home, this beauty is nestled right along the New York Creek Trail.
Imagine waking up to these breathtaking views of these mature trees and listening to the soothing sound of the creek. Ideally located in the heart of town, this home is close to all the best Dorado Hills has to offer. Top-rated schools, the community center with pools and sports park, the marina and entertainment at the town center.
Inside, you'll be impressed by the meticulous attention to detail and pride of ownership that shines through in every corner. The well-designed floor plan provides ample space for entertaining and simply unwinding with family and friends. The updated kitchen features newer appliances and sleek countertops, perfect for whipping up delicious meals and creating lasting memories. The peaceful primary suite offers beautiful views of the New York Creek Trail.
Situated on a flat street in a quintessential American neighborhood, this home is perfect for anyone looking to live the American dream.
Don't let this opportunity pass you by. Come see 3596 Falkirk Way today.